Meaning of fuchsia.
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 Fuchsia. Fuchsia is a vivid purplish-red color named after the flower of the fuchsia plant, which was named in honor of the botanist Leonhard Fuchs. The color fuchsia is often associated with femininity, luxury, and extravagance, and is commonly used in fashion and interior design. It is a bold, vibrant hue that commands attention and can be used to create both dramatic and playful effects. Fuchsia also has symbolic meanings in different cultures, such as representing love, passion, and kindness in some African cultures. Overall, fuchsia is a dynamic and expressive color that has made its mark in various fields of art and commerce.